I was supposed to leave for a trip like 2 days ago. Let's leave. Finally. Can we?
Alright, so finally I'm in my car heading to Ahmedabad. It's a solo road trip. It's going to be very exciting, except I have never recorded my trips before. I have done so many trips, road trips, solo road trips, everything. But this is a new experience and I'm looking forward to it. Plan is to actually go to Jaipur, take a night halt, and tomorrow we'll leave for Jaipur and we'll see, maybe day after we'll reach Ahmedabad. So right now I need the gas. My car needs the gas. I want my journey to be comfortable and I always want my journeys to be comfortable. I don't want to rush because I think I have time. Enjoying some music because without music solo road trips is not fun, not at all. So guys, अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं NH8 पे, पेट्रोल भरा लिया है, सब कुछ सेट है. तो गूगल के हिसाब से जो टाइम मुझे अभी दिख रहा है मेरे फ़ोन पे नेविगेशन पे, वो है 4 hours and 23 minutes. सो ये गूगल का टाइम है. मुझे लगेगा आराम से 5.5 से 6 घंटे बिकॉज आई ड्राइव वेरी स्लो. आई एम ड्राइविंग टाटा टियागो एंड इट्स अ सोलो ट्रिप एज आई टोल्ड यू. इट्स गोइंग टू बी फन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Otherwise, I'm not going to reach even in 6 hours. पहुंच गए हैं पहले टोल पे, खिड़की दोला प्लाजा. It's a bright shiny day and I don't like it because it's very very hot outside. Inside also I can feel that. Alright, so done with the toll and let's continue rest of the journey. Quick update, traffic is behind me now and probably driving on better roads. Some nice music being played in the background. बड़ा उन रस्तों पर जो हमें कभी ना मिले, कह रही है ये जिंदगी संग आस कैसी लिए. मोहब्बत बरसा देना तो सावन आया है, तेरे और मेरे मिलने का मौसम आया है. पहुंच गए हैं शाहजहांपुर टोल प्लाजा पे और यहाँ से जयपुर अभी है 159 किलोमीटर्स एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2.5 hours बता रहा है for 159 kilometers. That means it's going to be pretty slow ride. ठीक है, जैसे भी है देख लेंगे. एंड फास्ट का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, लंबी लंबी लाइनें लगी हुई है. आधे से ज़्यादा इन्होंने जो पॉइंट्स है वो बंद करके रखे हैं. हमको लगी है सूसू, तो हम मतलब मैं फर्स्ट ब्रेक लूँगा द हाईवे किंग पे, and which is approximately 10 kilometers from here. हाँ, 10 किलोमीटर के आसपास. सो टोल प्लाजा के बाद में भी तो वॉशरूम फैसिलिटीज़ होती है वैसे यूजुअली, बट ठीक है 10 किलोमीटर्स ओके, विल मैनेज.
In the darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow. Oh, I know. Oh,
आ गया है हाईवे किंग एंड हम लेंगे ब्रेक, चाय ब्रेक। चाय तो मस्ट है यार, बिना चाय के ट्रिप नहीं हो सकती। इनफैक्ट बहुत सारी ट्रिप्स मैंने चाय के लिए करी है एंड दैट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू। ओके, लेट्स जस्ट फाइंड अ spot. I had a quick tea break and I'm back. The next stop will be the next highway king where I'll take tea and probably I'll try to watch the sunset and probably I'll show you with some cinematic shots if it's possible. So let's just kickstart and move from here.
Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes that you still have more to go.
Sunset is just about to happen and I just reached in time. Let me just quickly try to see and show you if there is a sunset you can see from this camera. Although the light is pretty low. Would it be inconvenient?
Nice open roads and music. What else do you want or expect on a weekday? Cruising at around 80 to 90 kilometers an hour. 2 घंटे तो लगेंगे minimum, I think so. Time to have some fun with music, of course.
Now that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I am getting wild.
After the sunset, daylight started vanishing very quickly and as you can see, it's completely dark. But maza aa raha hai. Now I'm approaching the last toll before I enter the Jaipur city. There is some traffic. ठीक है.
Like a real man, you know it, babe. Sometimes I'm scared of you. I love you. I just wanna get at you.
So I'm about to enter the Jaipur city. Still on the outskirts though. The last task is still pending while I'm driving to Jaipur and I have not done any hotel booking so far because I simply didn't get any time to do so. Although on my way to Jaipur, whenever I took some chai breaks, I did get some time to look through some hotels. But I didn't book one. Right now the night halt is not decided. Maybe in some time when I enter the Jaipur city, I'll park my car on the sideway and then I'll decide which hotel I need to finalize for the night. I don't want to stay right in the heart of the Jaipur, so probably it would be better if I stay away from the crowd, and that would be my priority.
Now it's getting cold, I want someone to hold, yeah. Wishing you were here, sad atmosphere.
So I've entered the main town of Jaipur and I have done the hotel booking finally.
Oh, it's